And finally, what is here today on the 9th of November 2022, we have Huopalahdentie, Huopalahdentie 12 Stakes A here in Munkkiniemi, Munksnäs. Helsinki has was Uusimani and Finland, and I filmed the Stakes B here before. Both are filmed now finally. It was built in 1957, turning 65 years old this year in 2022, and its owner is age 6936, modernized in 2003, and probably from the beginning of 2003. The amortization will be 20 years old in the next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. Also deserves 2 rides, and it has these very unusual doors with this, where you can push, but doesn't say it, but it's very rare. The interior was refurbished and lacquered in 2003, but it's still very nice.
Yeah.
It still fits in here. I love this man here.
Yeah. Spectate parkki vaiheessa menen eteenpäin pääkausseudun hissikeskus.
But we still got inside here just at the last moment before I started to think that I would come back later.
Mm.
I just love the smell so much here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very cozy. So thank you very much for watching, and please also watch the next video.
That's